Drawing with your eraser is exactly like drawing with your pencil. You're basically deciding where you want to add more pressure and where you want to just kind of gently let the eraser gently take away Let me see if I can center this. Sorry, I'm not used to holding the camera and doing. Let's see. So I'm not really holding my eraser really tightly, so it's gently rubbing against my work here. So it's not really taking off a whole lot at a time. These darker marks are where I've kind of really held my eraser really hard against the paper, but these light marks, I've just gently let my eraser do its job, just as I would if I had a shading pencil and I was just doing some light shading. So I really encourage you to try this. You can use any eraser you like. Just fill your page with graphite and then come through with any eraser you have on hand. I prefer a mechanical eraser. And just gently come through. Now see over here, I like it a little darker, so I'm gonna hold that eraser a little tighter and kind of go in with a little more force, because I want that to be, I want to erase a lot more. And then when it gets a little dirty, when my eraser gets dirty, I go through and use a little sandpaper and sandpaper off the excess graphite from my eraser. I use the sandpaper paddles that come with the tools. My brain went blank. It's okay if your brain goes blank if you've had too much of a day. Yeah, so but sandpaper from the hardware store works fine, whatever sandpaper you have on hand. Or if you have a towel, sometimes you can rub your eraser on a towel. I use my towels to balance my arm on when my arm hurts. So yeah, you clean your eraser off and use that. So that's how I do my artwork. I hope this is helpful for you. I know it's not much of a tutorial. I'm sorry for my shaky camera work. Please, please, please show me your eraser art. I really want to see it. Thank you for watching. Bye.